Partap?
Yo.
Do you want to buy my size 4 Yeezys?
Maybe for my 2-year-old cousin, yeah. Good idea.
All right, we are back. I hope all of you guys are doing good today. I hope all of you guys are doing great. I freaking unboxed the best sneaker box I've ever unboxed in my life today. It was awesome, and I'm very happy about it. But before we can get into today's vlog, I do need to give a big shout out to today's sponsor. Today's video is actually brought to you by the Bump app, and I've done videos with them before, and I've used their app a bunch before as well. It is definitely one of the coolest sneakerhead and streetwear hypebeast marketplaces on the internet. It has a whole bunch of different brands, a whole bunch of different shoes, a whole bunch of different clothes, and it's really easy to find all the brands that you're looking for. They have a filter page where you can filter by brands, you can filter by colors. If you're looking for a red pair of shoes, you can just look for red pairs of shoes. If you're looking for a blue hoodie, you can just look for blue hoodies. It makes it super easy. And if you're trying to pick up a drop in another city, they actually do offer a proxy feature that allows you to get in contact with other proxies. I listed up a bunch of sneakers. I put up some Yeezys, I put up some Jordans, put up some Adidas. So if you guys are interested in picking up any of those sneakers, go head over to my page at Tom Stefaniuk. Give me a follow and shoot me a message about any of the sneakers you see. I'm gonna be following back everyone that follows me on the Bump app. So make sure to hit that download link in the description and go check it out. Now on top of it being a marketplace where like you can list stuff up and I can list stuff up, Bump actually does drops on almost a weekly basis where they list up a whole bunch of awesome items for really good prices. Actually today, as you can see, they had a huge Supreme drop, and this is just some of the stuff that they put up on the app. Also, when you download Bump, some lucky people that download it are gonna get $25 of free spending money on the app, which is sick. I mean, just downloading an app, you get $25 off anything you want to buy. That sounds really good to me. So all of you guys watching, make sure to hit that download link in the description, fill out a profile. It took me literally like 2 minutes to make my account. Now I can buy, sell, message other people on the app. It's really, really easy. Link in the description. Give me a follow at Tom Stefaniuk. That being said, thank you to Bump, and let's get right back into the video. And we are back. I really gotta give it to whoever the security is at my parkade, because they have to be the most inept security guards of all time. So a little bit of backstory for you guys that might have missed it. My car got broken into twice within the span of 2 weeks, and that obviously really sucked. The security that's supposed to be there 24 hours clearly did not do its job, and I got so frustrated that I was like, you know what, I'm leaving absolutely nothing in this car. I'm just gonna leave it unlocked so no one can steal anything, no one can break any windows, and I don't need to go through that hassle. Well, this morning I come down to my car to see that there are beer cans and an empty pizza box sitting on my driver's side seat. So clearly someone decided to chill out in my car last night, pound back some brewskis and eat a pizza, and the 24-hour security, and I use that term very loosely, somehow did not see them. At this point I'm considering taking the bus. Like, come on. So I guess the moral of that story is just don't park in this freaking parking garage, because it's terrible. Let's move on from that though to what I mentioned earlier in today's video, this box right here. Now this is a box from my buddy. He lives in Calgary, which is another city a few hours away in Canada, and he, I guess, used to be, or still is, a big collector of sneakers. Anyway, he's getting married and needs to get rid of a whole bunch of sneakers, so he hit me up and he's like, yo Tom, selling my sneakers, do you want to buy a bunch? I'll give you a good price. So I checked out what he had. He actually gave me a really freaking good price. He sold me these 4 pairs of kicks for $400 plus shipping, so it was like $422, $424, something like that. Really good price. And these 4 pairs of shoes I can probably sell for around $800 or $840. I don't think he was really looking to get the money. He was just trying to get them out of there and wanted to do me a favor. I appreciate it. Seriously. If any of you guys want to buy any of these shoes, let me know down in the comments section below. I'll be listing these up possibly on my website, definitely on Facebook groups in Winnipeg. First pair we got right here, starting off slow but still very nice, the Jordan 9 Anthracite. I think he said these ones were dead stock. They look really brand new to me. I think these are dead stock. These things are sick. Let me slide over this box a little bit so we can get a better view of these. These things are really really nice. Oh, the suede is so nice on these. I had these back in the day. I camped out at Mall of America on release day. There was freaking lineups for these back in the day when these released. Mall of America probably had like 20, 30, 40 people there lined up for this pair of shoes. The quality of materials is so nice on these. The suede is amazing. The colorway is super basic. I could throw it on with this all black fit and it would look perfect. All right, putting these aside, moving on to the second pair. Whoa, why are these so heavy? These are freaking heavy. Is there something else in the box? Nope, literally just these. Literally just these. The Jordan 8 Retro Breads. I don't know what these are called. This is the newer version because I remember these look super similar to like the Chromes, except they have red here and red on the bottom, but otherwise they're pretty much the same as the Chromes if my memory serves me correctly. Definitely seeing a trend, as you can see, what type of shoes my buddy likes. The gray ones, the black ones. These things are so Chicago. I'm really surprised they didn't do this as like an original colorway back in the day, but releasing it now, when these come out like 2017, 2016, it definitely looks like something that could have been released back in 1993 when the Jordan 8 came out. These retailed for probably $255 Canadian, $255 Canadian, $190 US. I find that especially lately, lots of people tend to hate on a pair of shoes if it's not hyped up. They say it's trash, they say you wasted your money. Whereas I think the important thing with sneakers is, what do you like? Like, what do you want to buy? What is your personal style? Like those Mauve 700 sitting behind me. So many people are saying those are trash and they're useless and they're a piece of garbage simply because they didn't sell out. If they sold out and cost $1,500, I guarantee you no one would be saying that, even though it was the exact same shoe. These, on the other hand, are not going to sell out and they do not cost $1,500, but I still really do like these. This is something I would rock. Not my size, this is a size 11, but what can I do? Moving on from there to the third pair of kicks, Jordan 11s. All right, this is probably the brightest out of the four. I'm forgetting what the fourth pair is now, but this is the Jordan 11 IEs. I really like this pair of shoes, really bright. I know people hate on the IEs so much. You know what shoe I really want to pick up is those bright mango infrared looking IE 11 lows. Those are so ridiculously bright, so ridiculously out there, and I know everyone is hating on them so much. But at the same time, I just think they look fresh and I want to throw those on my feet and wear them. Now, they're definitely going to go on sale, so I'm going to wait until they do go on sale and then I'm going to pick them up. But until then, I'm happy to just sit here and wait for them to go on sale and then eventually buy them for like $40 because everyone is hating on them and I have not seen one positive review of them so far. I might buy a new pair of these, honestly. This is a nice pair of shoes. I'm not sure how much they're going for. If I go to list these up and I find out they're going for like $100, then I might actually buy a pair in my size again to rock them, because looking at these now, these are really fresh. I really like these. Everyone's gonna hate on them because the IEs get no love in the slightest. I don't care. I like them. I'm gonna wear what I like, and you guys can hate on them if you want. Now moving on to the final pair of kicks right here. Oh, I remember what these are. Okay, this is my favorite pair of shoes from the box that he sold me. I have to hit him up and see if he has more pairs that he wants to get rid of. He told me he had 4. I didn't really ask if he had any more. I'll buy some more kicks, especially if it's like older Jordans like this, because I love unboxing these and they really don't get enough love anymore. Everything's like what's new, what came out in the next 6 months or the last 6 months, what's coming out next month, what's the newest off-white sneaker. People don't give love to the older shoes anymore. Woo! Oh my goodness. These are so beautiful. The All-Star Game 2013, I think. All-Star Game Jordan 10. It was the last time it was in New York. They named these the Bulls over Broadway. That leather smells so good. The leather quality on these is immaculate. These ones are dead stock. I do remember asking about these. These ones are definitely dead stock. Wow, what a freaking beautiful pair of shoes. Look at how nice these are. I am so excited to see these. I haven't seen these in who knows how long. I remember these sold out on release day on like Nike, on Foot Locker, all that stuff. Once again, this was back when Jordans were popping and you actually had to be on your game and pick them up on release day just like you do with like popular shoes now. But they sat in my mall for months and months and months. They released in February of whatever year they came out, and that following Christmas, they were still sitting there 10 months later for some ridiculous discount, like $100 or something like that. just ridiculously cheap, and no one was buying them. And I was so confused because these sold out everywhere on release day in the States, but here in Canada, no one liked these. I mean, I don't really know why. I think they're really fresh. It's an all red shoe. I mean, maybe don't wear them in the wrong side of Compton, but besides that, you're pretty much good to go with these. I think this is a great pair of shoes. I know lots of people don't like the Jordan 10, and it's not one of the most popular models out there, but I definitely do think this is one of the best colorways they have done on the Jordan 10. I also have a pair of Jordan 10 Shadows from the Nike outlet that I picked up recently that happened to be sitting here as well. And I mean, it's a really good pair of shoes when you put the right colorway on it. Like, I think these look great as well. Super simple, super toned down, actually very similar to the Jordan 9s that we just took a look at. Almost identical in color scheme. Like I was saying, you put this anthracite, charcoal, and black on the same shoe, and you're just guaranteed to have a good looking pair of kicks. That being said though, these are the 4 pairs of shoes that I unboxed. Definitely think I got a good deal. Definitely think I made my money's worth out of these, and if you guys want me to do more stuff like this, I have a couple mystery box brands that have hit me up, and I'm gonna be doing some work with them over the following months, unboxing a whole bunch of dope stuff for you guys, bringing you some dope videos as well. Guys, I love you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, make sure to download Bump with the link in the description. Guys, thank you so much. I'll see you tomorrow, and until then, peace.